To send money from Spain to the Philippines, follow these steps. First, choose a reliable money transfer service such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or online services like TransferWise, Payoneer, or Z Money Transfer. Each service has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, so compare them to find the best option for your needs. Next, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's full name, address, and contact details in the Philippines. You will also need your own identification and proof of address in Spain. Check the service's requirements for the type of identification and documentation needed. Then, create an account with the chosen money transfer service if you do not already have one. This typically involves providing your personal and contact information and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, log in and start a new transaction. Enter the amount you want to send in euros and the recipient's details. Review the transaction details carefully, including the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. After confirming the transaction, pay for it using a debit or credit card, or other accepted payment methods. Keep a record of the transaction reference number for future reference. Finally, track the status of your transfer using the service's website or mobile app. The recipient will typically receive the money in their local currency, pesos, within the estimated delivery time. It is essential to inform the recipient about the transfer and provide them with the tracking details, if applicable. When sending money from Spain to the Philippines, consider the exchange rates and fees to get the best value for your money. Additionally, ensure you are using a secure and reputable money transfer service to protect your transaction. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and efficiently send money from Spain to the Philippines.